Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign out from your profile on YouTube. The first thing that I want to tell you, in YouTube application it doesn't allow you to sign out from your profile on YouTube. So if you want to sign out your profile from YouTube, so try these steps, it will definitely work. So first of all, you have to go to your phone settings and open it. In this section, you just simply scroll down, click on app management, then click on app list and just wait for a while and it's done. So in the search bar, you just type YouTube and click on that, then click on storage, and here you see the clear data option, so simply click on that and then click on OK. Now you will be able to sign out from your profile on YouTube. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.